Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 6. The reward for labor as a factor of production is A. Commission, B. Interest, C. Profit, D. Rent, E. Wage. So we are looking at labor as a factor of production. Now, the factors of production refers to inputs, the inputs required for production of either goods, so goods and services. Now, the factors of production are 4 in number: land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. Now, each of these factors of production are associated with rewards. So, what are the rewards for each of the factors of production? So, for land, the reward for land is rent. The reward for labor is wage. The reward for capital is interest. And the reward for entrepreneurship is profit. So as we have established here, the reward for labor is wage. So we have rightly established it here. And wage amongst the options is option E. So E, wage, is the correct answer to this question. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more of our videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.